Hashmi with another episode of Behind the Art Scene, and this video is about restoration of a painting by Anna Molka Ahmed, and who is restoring it, how to restore it, and what does restoration mean. I'm going to tell you all about it in this episode. About me, I'm a curator and founder of MH Initiatives, and I've curated several cultural exchange projects in Pakistan, also Karachi Art Summit in 2017. As a visual artist, I've been exhibiting internationally, and my work was part of Yanjiao Biennale China this year. So my work is about mental illnesses, my mental illnesses, and about sexual abuse. You can find all of that on my website www.mehreenhashmi.com. Explain you what is a restoration. Restoration is a process where certain artists with qualified degrees restore paintings. They restore damages, insects biting, fire damages, damages of paper throughout the time, and they restore the painting in its own form. So some of the master artists who are not alive and they cannot work on their piece to keep it restored, so there are certain artists who work on these paintings and restore it. It's a long process, it's a very difficult process as well. There's an artist, Sana Durrani, who is a restorer of paintings, and she has been painting several restoring several paintings. She has restored a painting by Anna Molka Ahmed. Sana Durrani is a visual artist and an art restorer from Lahore, Pakistan, and she is working with our Lahore Arts Council. She is obtained M.Phil degree in art restoration, and she loves her work. We will be inviting her on our channel and talk about more of the restoration process and get to know more about this project soon. A painting by Anna Molka Ahmed, which is called Tariq bin Ziyad, Invasion of Sindh, has been restored by Sana Durrani, which is in permanent collection of Alhamra Arts Council. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more about Pakistani art scene, their work, retrospective of Pakistani masters, and a lot more. You can mention in the comments what else would you like to learn next. Until then, I will see you. Take care and much love.